Mike Rashid, why are you standing in the midst of McLarens, Porsches, Ferraris, Rolls Royce, Bentleys, and you're talking about Alpha Shred? Well, I'll explain. These are high performance vehicles, okay? I consider myself a high performance, high octane human being. And I've been training people for years. People will be like, yo, Mike, you're a beast, you're a savage in the gym, yada, yada, yada. I'm like, you are too. Let me show you how, let me help you. I'm sorry, y'all, but I had to interrupt this beautiful video to let y'all know to listen to this all the way through, because somewhere in here, I'm dropping a fat discount code for people who really listen to this message, because it's very important. This is for Alpha Shred. This is the last day you got to sign up, so don't miss out. But the discount is in here. Just keep listening. And there's so many people, I promise you, that I've helped unlock those barriers in their brain so they can see their potential. I don't make people strong, I help people see how strong they really are. I know the way though, okay? I've done it for myself all my life. We're in here because this is what I am of, okay? This is my world. I love cars. Certain habits of mine led me to this point. Is training one of them? Is training the end all to somebody being a go-getter in life? Absolutely not. However, it does say something about you. Now, most of y'all that know me, that really know my history, been following me, you couldn't have been following me longer than 8 years, because that's when I got on YouTube and Instagram and all of that in 2012. Since then, you have always seen me in shape and on point. You see my performance on high levels, okay? For a very consistent time. What you don't see is all the time before that. Since I was a kid, I was locked in to this kind of lifestyle. Fitness, training, trying to better myself. I mean, the core of who I am is my physical health. Me focusing on and trying to cultivate really good health, it transcends into my mentality, into my mind, to my brain. I'm one of those people, when I was in school, I used to graduate valedictorian, head of my class. I was a 4.0 kid. I was in the chess club. It all stems from my training, right? A lot of people like to separate the mind and the body, but you can't. It's all connected. Our mind, our body, it's all one. I've always trained hard. I've always gotten after it. It's always based on my performance. The look was secondary, it happened to come. And the older I got, the more I cared about my looks, but that's not why I got into this. I got into this to be healthy, to be strong, to be fit, to run fast, jump high, do push-ups, pull-ups, whatever it was. So the core of who I am, it stems from me, you know, really focusing on my physical fitness. My physical fitness bleeds into my mental fitness. My physical and mental fitness makes me want to be a good human being. Me wanting to be a good human being makes me work hard. Any job I've ever had, I try to please whoever I work for, regardless of how demeaning the job may be, because I'm appreciative that this person gave me an opportunity. Why am I talking about this? I'm getting to that. The core of who I am, it all stems from one seed, and that's getting after it, getting right. Now, I've had certain things in my life that kind of pushed me in that direction. My father being one of them. Me growing up around a bunch of athletic kids, being super competitive is another one. Not everybody has that or have had that, okay? Now, I know the way to get you where you want to be. I know how to get you to where you think you can't be, but I know that you can. Sometimes people will look at my footage, my videos, and be like, nobody can do that. That's whatever, he's special, he's different. Listen, I'm not some guy with superior genetics. I was a runt. I'm the runt in my family, okay? I was skinny growing up. My nickname was literally skinny, okay? But I wanted to be strong. I wanted to be built. I wanted to run faster. I wanted to be super healthy. So I did what I needed to do to level up. And I'm providing that for you guys. I got with my partner, Sean Torbati. This man is brilliant. He is a specialist in nutrition. That is his passion. Just like my passion is training and showing you guys A through Z with the physical body, his is the same with nutrition. Both of our reasons stem from deep places, okay? Meaningful places. It's not about business for us. This is literally a passion, okay? Just had a conversation with a good friend of mine this morning about how traveling is cool, but I like being home so I could work on what I do for a living, dealing with you guys. All right, so thank you for listening and watching. Mr. Party, y'all know Mr. Party Tour Body. He's doing your diets.
Yep.
What should the code be?
The code's gonna be Party Tour Body.
Hey.
No spaces.
All one word. Party, PARTY TORBATI.
This discount doesn't even make sense, huh? It's just too much, but Mike's always fighting for you guys.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
I got you. Let's go. Sign up. Whether it's producing content or just talking to everybody in our private Facebook group or whatever, trying to help you guys excel at what we lay out and prescribe for you guys. So, with that being said, I'm inviting you to join and sign up for Alpha Shred. It's a 30-day transformation. You guys know this already, but it's deeper than that. Anyone that's in our groups that's done any of the other challenges, we all have developed a special bond. Everybody, you know, some really powerful friendships and relationships have forged out of Alpha Shred, okay? This is a special group of people, a special team. The training is really hard. The nutrition is very strict and very disciplined, okay? But this helps get y'all on point, and it helps change you in a certain way. I even put meditation in some of the warm-ups because it's so important. And my thing has always been, when I uncover certain little cool elements and keys to help level up, I share it. That's something that I have adapted over the years. I know the power of it, so I share it. It's indicative of me to give you guys the best that I can give. That's what we're doing with Alpha Shred. Forget about the money. We're giving $12,000 cash. We're giving cash prizes to men and women, both categories. And this is international. If you got the internet, you can do Alpha Shred. But what I'm trying to give you is bigger than that, it's better than that. It's a gift of like mental and physical and spiritual fitness, honestly. So, and you don't have to just do one. We don't tell people just do one and done. We say keep going. We keep running them back to back. It's a very inexpensive way for y'all to stay on point, okay? You're getting personal training, you're getting nutrition done based on your specific macronutrient needs for a fraction of the dollar. You cannot get these services for even near what we charge for Alpha Shred. You get to do it over and over and over once you're in our program. So, I know this is long-winded, but I'm very passionate about this, as you guys can see, all right? Once again, I'm inviting you to join Alpha Shred. This season starts in a couple days, so you don't have a lot of time left. And once we're done with registration, it's a wrap, all right? Go to alpha.mikerashid.com and sign up right now. I wanna see you in my group, private Facebook group, only for us, for y'all, all right? So let's go.